Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Tarzan Arrows Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the RSI indicator. As you can see here, this yellow line is the RSI indicator, and these square-shaped arrows in green and red are moving averages that have been applied to this RSI. There are also two blue lines that serve as a corridor above and below this moving average. When the RSI and the moving average cross each other.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And the moving average moves below the RSI. This gives us a bullish trend signal and a buy signal, and these arrows turn green. And when a crossover happens and the RSI moves below the moving average, the color of these arrows turns red, indicating a downtrend and the start of it, and this cross that occurs signals a sell. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the RSI indicator period. The next option is the price type on which the calculations are performed, and we can choose from these options. The following option is the period of the moving average that is applied to the RSI and the calculation method of the moving average, which we can select from these options. The next option is the size of the corridor that surrounds the moving average, which allows us to specify its size. The following option is the color for when we are in an uptrend, and the next option is the color for when we are in a downtrend. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.